In this video, I will explain Lenz's law and how it is applied in physics. You will learn how this law helps to determine the direction of the induced current. Lenz's law describes the direction of the induced current in a conductor. It states that the induced current always flows in such a way that it opposes its cause. This cause is the change in the magnetic field that generates the current. The law follows from the principle of conservation of energy and helps to understand physical processes. Electromagnetic induction occurs when the magnetic field around a conductor changes. This creates a voltage that can generate an electric current. Lenz's law determines the direction of this current. It ensures that the current attempts to weaken the change in the magnetic field. Lenz's law follows from the principle of conservation of energy. Without it, energy could be generated without any external influence. This would contradict the fundamental laws of physics. Therefore, the law prevents the infinite amplification of the induced current. Lenz's law is often used in electrical machines. One example is the generator, where a magnetic field generates a voltage. The resulting current opposes the movement of the magnetic field. This controls and stabilizes the energy conversion. When a coil is moved in a magnetic field, an induced voltage is created. The current generated by this creates its own magnetic field. This magnetic field opposes the movement of the coil. As a result, the movement is slowed down. Many technical devices use Lenz's law to control currents. Electric motors and transformers operate according to this principle. Without this law, such devices could not function efficiently. It prevents uncontrolled current flows and energy losses. Lenz's law is related to the Lorentz force. This force acts on moving charges in a magnetic field. It influences the direction of the induced current. This leads to a prediction about the movement of charged particles. Lenz's law shows that energy does not come from nothing. The generated current always opposes the cause. As a result, the total energy is conserved. This is an important confirmation of physical laws. Lenz's law is a fundamental principle of physics. It explains why induced currents flow in a specific direction. In doing so, it helps to understand many technical and physical processes. Without it, many electrical devices would not function.